At present, various consumer groups have given a lot of interest to health and careful selection in their buying of food products. This is because there have been numerous times that food has not been of the required quality and made consumers lose trust. This includes unhygienic food, contaminated food, or food that has chemical additives. So how do consumers know that the food they select is safe and has quality? The Department of Livestock Development is the government agency responsible for overseeing the production process of meat products for the whole food chain. This is done so that the meat will be of quality. As such, as consumers have become very concerned about this, the Department of Livestock Development has developed a traceability system so consumers can check the production process that will in turn establish trust among them. The traceability system is a mechanism that the Department of Livestock Development uses for overseeing and tracking every step of the production process. In addition, for creating trust among consumers, the Department of Livestock Development has developed the traceability system to be utilized via the internet. This can be achieved by clicking on the website worldwideweb.dld.go.th. Then by selecting traceability, they are able to track the origin of the meat as well as obtain the details of each step of the production process. The traceability system can be connected to a stamped seal and natural identification, which can then be linked with the database of the animal's background that has passed the registration of providing each animal's details. One of the aims of the Department of Livestock Development is the development of the traceability system to be used via the internet that will in turn create services for business operators to easily send information. This will also reduce the workload of both the operators and officers of the Department of Livestock Development. Groups of trading countries also receive increased convenience as they can check the information rapidly as well as at all times. This increases the trust in the agricultural and food products of Thailand that will result in market expansion as well as increase the competitiveness of Thai food products in the global market. Apart from utilizing the internet for the traceability system, the Department of Livestock Development still continues to develop technology for service purposes that pass through an IT network for many kinds of services. Business operators only have to click on worldwideweb.dld.go.th and then select e-service. After registration, operators can complete the application to request for various permits. At present, there are 6 types of services as follows. Permission for the production and selling of beef. Farm Standard Certification and Recertification. Slaughterhouse Certification. Health Certification. Permission for the animals or carcasses transportation within the Kingdom of Thailand and for exportation. Permission for a veterinary clinic establishing and practicing. After submitting the application, the e-service system can assist operators to track the progress and the result of the inspection via the internet. In addition to establishing convenience for business operators, the e-service system can also help keep information in the database for the Department of Livestock Development to use. For example, e-movement document, permit of transporting animals or carcasses that can access the results of their movement throughout Thailand. The work procedures of the Department of Livestock Development have created trust in consumers as well as convenience for business operators. Meat production can be considered another successful aspect of the development of livestock work procedures of the country. In addition, the Department of Livestock Development still concentrates on continual development that will establish Thailand to be the kitchen of the world that is up to date, safe, and follows international standards.